How to make better use of ChatGPT for appropriate responses. Unlock ChatGPT's full potential with these 5 key strategies. Learn to craft effective prompts that yield precise, high-quality results. Elevate your interactions and achieve better outcomes. By Lalit Kumar. Be clear, specific, and goal-oriented. Specific prompts guarantee precise responses. Vague input will always lead to generic output. Focus on your goals. Weak prompt example. Tell me about marketing. Strong prompt example. Explain 5 digital marketing strategies for small businesses with limited budgets. Give context and role play. Define the role. Tell ChatGPT who it should act as. For instance, you are a resume expert. Specify the task. Instruct it to improve my resume for a data analyst job in the tech industry. Role-based prompts guide the tone, depth, and output type. This ensures the AI's response aligns with your needs. Structure your output request. Format instructions result in clean, digestible content. Clearly define how you want the answer structured. Define format. Specify bullet point list or summary for clarity. Example, prompt. Give me a bullet point list of pros and cons of remote work and end with a summary. Iterate, refine, and reprompt. Adjust your prompt. If the answer is not quite right, modify your original prompt. Prompting is a dynamic conversation. Adjust your prompts until you achieve the desired output. Refine response. Rewrite your last response to be more casual and under 100 words. Prompting is a dialogue. Don't settle for the first try. Engage in continuous refinement. Use system and example-based prompts. Prime the model. Provide examples to guide the AI's understanding and output style. Example prompt. Here are 2 examples of Instagram captions I like. Write 5 similar ones using the same tone. This technique, known as few-shot prompting, significantly improves output alignment and quality. Give clear guidance. Prompt engineering techniques to make ChatGPT work efficiently. Technique description example. Zero-shot prompting, asking a question directly with no example. Few-shot prompting. Provide examples to set expectations. Here are 2 poems. Write a third in the chain of thought prompting. Ask for step-by-step reasoning. Explain how to solve this math problem. Role prompting. Assign a role or perspective. You are an IELTS tutor. Help me prepare. Constraint-based prompting. Set rules for the output. List 5 tools in a table with names. What is the capital of France? Same style equals step-by-step equals. For speaking test, equals. Features and use cases only equals. Tips to boost efficiency with LLMs. Refine with follow-ups. Use prompts to adjust tone, structure, or depth. Break down tasks. Divide large tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Request diverse formats. Ask for summaries, analogies, or visual aids like flowcharts and tables. Utilize AI for learning. Use ChatGPT for review, rewriting, or role-playing for better understanding. Example. Prompt, best practice. Act as a YouTube scriptwriter. Create a 60-second script for a faceless video about 8 top 5 AI tools in 2059. Use an engaging hook, 5 bullet points with short descriptions, and a strong call to action at the end equals. This example combines role play, specific output structure, and clear content requirements for optimal results. Apply these techniques to your own prompts for maximum impact.